Okay, so we have this question here, and the question is saying two quadratics given by g of x and f of x. And as you can see here, f of x and g of x, find the integral of f of x, which is a pink one, with the green one, g of x, sorry, and find the integration for f of x. So I will just do this, and you can check your work as well. So the integral of the first one here for a is going to be minus x cubed over 3. This is indefinite integration, indefinite integral, so that because there is no limit at the moment, yeah? So we just do minus x cubed over 3 plus x squared over 2 plus 6x plus c. We put the constant of integration because this is there is no limits on this specific thing. On b, we do the integration for this, so there's going to be x cubed over 3 minus 5x squared over 2 plus 6x plus c. Right, now that's where you need to work out really. Is so we have these curves, as you can see. They want to find the area, the shaded area here, the pink area, you can see. So how to find the area? Anyone can tell me? Ilham? Anyone? No? Why?
We add them.
We add what you add.
Find the area of the graph, the upper graph, from limit 3 to 0 or 0 to 3, and
okay. Well, basically, it's you subtract is more than you add, really. Yeah. And in this picture here, they put x equals 3 and 0. What I want you to do, I want you to find these intersection points. I know you can see them in front of you, but I want you to work it out, to know how to work it out. Okay. So basically, to find the intersection points, intersect points for these two graphs, we make them both equals. Yeah. So I'm just going to show you how to find the intersect points. It is there in this question, yes, but I just want you to know how to find it as well. So to find the intersection points, so what we need to do, we make g of x equals f of x. So make that g of x equals f of x. I don't know which one first. G of x is the one with the minus, yeah. It doesn't matter which one, by the way. And just because I need to follow what I wrote down here, which one g, which one f of x. So this is going to be minus x squared plus x plus 6 equals x squared minus 5x plus 6. And when you do this, like remove the things, arrange them, so it's like x squared plus x squared, yeah, minus 5x and minus x plus 6 minus 6 equals 0. So these, they will cancel each other, and we will end up with 2x squared minus 6x equals 0. We can divide by 2, and we will get x squared minus 3x equals 0. So now we can take x as a common factor. So this can, well, write it down here again, minus 3x equals 0. And I'll take x as a common factor, so I end up with x minus 3 here equals 0. So either x equals 0 or x equals 3, which is the two roots, yeah, the intersect, sorry, which is one here and 1 here. This is the 0, and the other one is a 3. Okay? So now, so this pink part is how to find the intersection points of two things. Right. Now we want to find the area under the shaded area here. So if you, as you can see here, it's like the area under the g of x, it will be all this between the curve and the x-axis, all this pink thing, right? This is the g of x. It's between the curve and the x-axis. And the green one here, it's the area, right? The area under this curve, which is what's called f of x, and the x-axis. So basically, to find the shaded, well, I'll change the color for what we want. To find this, we would say the integration of gx minus f of x. Okay? So, okay. So to find the area, then we will say the shaded area okay, which is this one only, the pink now, the original one. So the shaded area is equal the integration from 0 to 3, these are the limits we found, of g of x minus f of x, okay, and dx. So this basically, if we substituted, so area equals, this is going to be from 0 to 3, or minus x squared plus x plus 6 minus x squared minus 5x plus 6 and dx, and this will be like, if you expand them, so it's like minus x squared plus x plus 6 minus x squared plus minus times minus is plus 5x minus 6x dx. And that means minus x squared and minus x squared, so that's minus 2x squared, and plus 5x we have here, and 1x, so that's 6x, and no, it's not 6x here, it's 6x, that's why. Okay, and now plus 6 and minus 6, we cancel them down, and therefore the answer, we can write it down in the simplest form as 0 to 3, or minus 2x squared plus 6x dx. Okay, so this will be minus 2x to the power 3 over 3 plus 6x squared over 2, and the limit from 0 to 3. And then this will be, we substitute the upper limit, minus 3 to the power of 3 over 3 plus 3 squared over 2 minus 0. So now this is going to be like 3 to the power 3 is 27, minus 2 times 20. Well, actually, this is going to be 3 squared, so minus 2 times 9, which is minus 18, plus 27, and this is going to be the final answer here, which is 9. And that's it. So this kind of question